This is the Daily Market Comment by Rafi Boyajian. I'm Christina Marujos. Thanks for joining us at xm.com. Positive results from 2 clinical trials on the effectiveness of Gilead's remdesivir drug once again raised hopes that the deadly coronavirus can be defeated. In a further boost to risk appetite, Fed Chairman Jerome Powell reaffirmed the Fed's easy policy stance in his press conference following the FOMC meeting yesterday. Wall Street surged on the back of the risk-on mood, with the S&P 500 closing up 2.7%. But the Nasdaq fared even better, soaring by 3.5% and nearly wiping out its year-to-date losses after Alphabet and Facebook announced stronger-than-expected earnings results. The positive sentiment appears to be holding today, with Asian indices closing up between 1% and 2% and U.S. stock futures adding around 0.5%. But President Trump has just given the world a taste of what to expect once the pandemic starts to ease. In an interview with Reuters, Trump reignited fears of confrontation with China, accusing the country of not giving enough warning about the coronavirus so as to damage his re-election chances in November. In an ominous sign what White House retaliation is likely, Trump said, "I can do a lot." His comments put a damper on stocks but gave a shot in the arm to gold, which had already been bolstered by Powell's press briefing. In a grim reminder about the gravity of the situation, Powell bluntly warned that the U.S. economy will need more support by both the Fed and Congress. The prospect of more easing pulled the U.S. dollar to 2-week lows against a basket of currencies, though most pairs were steady today, and the main drag on the dollar index was the Canadian dollar. The loonie is finally playing catch-up in its recovery versus the greenback, as oil prices post strong gains for a third straight day. The euro inched higher on expectations that the European Central Bank will beef up its pandemic emergency purchase program when it concludes its policy meeting later today. But there is a risk the central bank may disappoint. Given that several EU countries have begun to lift some of the lockdown restrictions, the ECB may wait until its June meeting before deciding whether more stimulus is needed. Thanks for watching today's Daily Market Comment here at xm.com.